finishing up some work. I'm about to go on holiday, but I want to share with you some commonalities that I've run into with multiple of my clients the past few months. You see, the funny thing is that all of the clients buy technology. For some reason, they expect that the technology will solve everything for them immediately. And that's not weird at all. You press a button, you get coffee, you swipe right for a date. You swipe right to get a date. In this world of instant gratification on every button push, it's not weird to make the assumption that technology will solve a lot of things for you immediately. It's really funny to see how so many people are focused on technology instead of using the technology to get to the solution they're actually looking for. Now, I've been thinking a lot about how to explain this properly to you, what I mean with people being only focused on technology. And I think I found it. And it's actually like riding a skateboard. A skateboard seems scary to start out with. It doesn't roll itself, so you need to step on it to get moving. You need to get some use cases started. Use cases, they might fail, similarly to how you would fall off a skateboard. But it doesn't mean that you have to give up every time you fall. You just need to get back up on the board again and keep on going and get better at rolling on your skateboard. Balance is a very important thing on your skateboard as well. So it's very important to balance both your technology and your capability. Lastly, make sure you know where you're headed. If I'm just getting on a skateboard, I'm not going anywhere. I need to know where I'm going first. Where I'm heading right now, that's my in-laws. See you again soon. Bye.